Now, good morning, 8th class students. Get ready for the class. Open textbook, notebook, and pen. Let us do square roots. In previous class, we did how to find the square root of a given square for 3 digits or 4 digits. We did in previous class. Now let us do find the square roots of 5 digits, 6 digits, 7 digits, 8 digits also we can find. So now let us do. I will give you 5 digits number. Find the square root of. Find the square root of. Find the square root of. Okay. Number 15129. 5 digits. Next 6 digits. 4 5 5 6 2 5 6 0 9 9 6 1 7 9 0 3 2 1 9 2 7 3 6 9. Okay. Find the square roots by division method. Square root of by division method. There is a prime factorization method also, but division method. Now I am doing by division method. Okay. In this syllabus, in this textbook, only 4 digits, 5 digits only given. Okay. In 9th class, we can do more. First of all, let us make pairs. Make pairs here from the unit place. One pair, third pair. Our first one is there. It is divisible by 1 ones. 1 ones. Take this pair at a time, 51, and repeat the same number 2. Here, so 51 is there, 2. 2s are roots. 2 means repeat the same number. Whatever the number you take, repeat the same number. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 44. Subtract. Remainder is 7, and take to 29 at a time. In our ordinary division, we take only one digit, but in the square root, take pair. Okay. Now this is 24. Last digit is 9. It is possible with 3. 3 3s are 9. If it is not divisible by 3, definitely it will go divisible by 7. If it is a perfect square. Now it is divisible by 3. We can assume, we can guess, or it is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. Here 5 is there, last digit. So we guess it is 5 5s are only possible. Here 1 is there. 1 ones are 9 9s are 81. Possible numbers. Last digit. 1 last digit 9 9s are 81. Here also possible for 9 9. 9 9s are 81 or 1 ones are. Here 9 is there. It is possible with 3 or 7. 3 3s are 9. 7 7s are 49. Right. Now it is exactly divisible. 3 3s are 3 4 are 12, 7 29. Remainder is 0. So square root of for the first pair is 1, second pair 2, 3. Therefore, square root of 15129 is 123, like this. Now practice this 6 digits. Now square root of this pairing, first make pairs, 3 pairs. Here also 3 pairs. In the square root we get 3 digits. For every pair we get 1 digit in the square root. Now 45 is there. Get the square numbers. 5 5s are 25. 6 6 are 36. 7 7 are 49. 49 not divisible. It is possible by 6. 6 6 are 36. 9 5 6. Repeat the same number 12. It is approximately divisible by 6 are 7 are 8 are. Let us see 8, 12, 8. 8 8 are 64. 16 6 22. 10. No, not by. So 7 are going. 7 are means take 7 only. 7 7 are 49. Repeat the same number. 7 7 are 49. 14 4 18. 8. 7 7 are 49. 7 2 are 14 4 18. 7 1 are 7 1 8. Okay. So this is 7. 14 minus 6 6. Take 25 at a time. Now add this 134. Last digit is 5. Definitely it is divisible by 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20, 22. 15 plus 2, 17. 5 1s are 5 1 6. Remainder is 6. So first page 6, second page 7, third page 5. Therefore, square root of 4 5 6 2 5 is 675. Again pairing here. Practice it. Do it. Sixty is there. 8 8 are 64, not going. 7 7 are 49. Remainder 1 11. Take 99 at a time. Repeat the same number. 14. 7 are 28. 14 7 are 7 7 are 49. 28 4 32. 1029. Let us see 148 are 8 8 are 64. 32 6 38. 11 84. Let's go in 8 are. So 8 8 8 is 64, 32, 6, 38, 8 to 8 1 the 8 plus 11. Remainder 5, 1. And take this pair at a time. This is 16, 5, 1. Ones are going. Ones are 15, 61. Same. Remainder is 0. For the first pair 7, second pair 8, third pair 1. It is divisible by 1 only, not 9. So therefore, square root of 609961 is equal to 781. Like that you do this. Make pairs first. 79. 8 8 is 64. 9 9 is 81. 9 9 is not going. 7 7 is 8 8 is 9 9 is 81 not going. So 8 8 is 64. Subtract 9 minus 4 5 and 1. And this is 8 plus 8, 16. Take that 0, 3. 16, 9, let us take 9 down. 9, 9 is 81, 54, 8, 62, 15, 21. Not going, so 8s are going. 9s are not going means 8s are. 8 8s are 64. 48, 54, 48, 6. 8 8 is 64, 8 6 are 48, 48, 6, 54, and 8 5 30. Now this is 9, 9 minus 4 5, 4 minus 3 1, and this is 21. Add 16, 7, 1. Now, the last digit is 1. It is possible with 9. 9 9 is 81. 9 4 is 54. 8 62. 6. 9 7 is 63. 6 69. 9 6 15. Exactly divisible. For the first pair 8. Second pair also 8, third pair square root is 9. Therefore, square root of 6-digit number 790321 is equal to 889. Half. We get 3 pairs. The square number of digits is the square root 3. Now, similarly, you do this. 9 9 is 81. 9 9 is 81. Here 1. 9 minus 8 1. Take 73. Repeat 9. Add and repeat the same number. 9, 9, 9, add 18. It is possible by 6 6 are 36, 6 8 are 48, 3, 51, 11, 56. Okay. It is divisible by 6 6 6 are 36, 48, 3, 51, 6 7 are 6 5 11. 7, and here 6 minus 1, 5. And here 69 is there. Take this pair at a time. Add 12, 9, 1. 9 is the last digit. It is possible by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 3 9s are 27. 3 plus 5. Remainder is 0. From the first pair we get 9. Second pair 6. From the third pair 3. Therefore square root is 963. 963. Therefore square root of 927369 is equal to 963. Okay. So this is the method of finding square root for 5 digits or 6 digits. So we can do for any number of digits if it is a perfect square. Now, if decimals are given, I will take you, first of all I will take a decimal, I will put here from the last 2 digits. The square root we get 1. The square root we get 1. So here 1. Suppose 4 digits are there. Square root. You put the decimal after 2 digits. 6 digits are decimal after 6 digits are there. You put after 3. Make half decimal. So here only 2. We are taking 1. Now I am taking here 4 digits. You take here decimal, put here 4 digits, last 2 digits, here decimal. 4 digits of decimal. Now here 4. Now I am taking here 6. 6 digits means decimal. So here also we take decimal 0. First decimal is there. Here also decimal 3. 6 digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The square root 3. Make half. So like that we have to do on 2 digits only given. Suppose here decimal 2. Here also 2. Here also 2 means 1 decimal. Like this. Suppose here given 4 digits. 4 digits in the square root 2 digits. In the square root 2 digits. Like this. Make half. So this is the way of finding decimals. Same procedure. After finding the square root, we have to fix the decimal point. There is only 2 digits, the square root 1. Here 4 digits, 4 digits. Here 6 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. Decimal, here decimal 3. Put 0. Put 0 here. Here only 2, only 1. Here decimal 4. 2 digits, decimal of 2 digits from the unit place. Like that we have to do. Let us do others tomorrow.